How's it going, guys? This is Brad and John with Best Price Nutrition. You can check out our website, bestpricenutrition.com. We are located in the Chicagoland area. We have a 14,000 square foot warehouse. We're probably the biggest distributor in the Midwest. So if you're ever interested in anything that we carry, check out our website and also sign up for our email newsletter. That's when you can see the newest products we have, the weekend deals, the blog posts, all the information that we give out. You'll get it through our email newsletter. But you're on YouTube right now, and this is where we do our reviews and new product releases. And one of the new things that we got was the Keto Outright Bar. Now, we're pretty big fans of Outright bars here, right? You like them?
That's one of the better, if not the best tasting bars out there.
Yeah. And they're kind of marketed as like a whole food bar, because like all the ingredients usually are pretty legit. They're not a low carb bar by any means, and they never have been. It's usually like 30 grams of sugar.
That's one of the things. I really like these, but I'm not always down for 300 calories, 280 calories.
Yeah, it is a big bomb if it's not what you're used to, especially if you like look at the size of these things. They're pretty small. They are delicious, but you know, the other ones they use like honey as a sweetener. Honey's still sugar. You're getting 30 grams of sugar. That's a lot.
You know, one of these was pretty good. They put out the sunflower bar. Sunflower seed like chocolate chip bar.
I thought
that was fantastic.
It was good.
And it's good for people like Carly who can't have the peanut butter. I think she was still scared to eat it, but it was pretty tasty.
I can't imagine her being scared. So this is the keto bar. I'm going to dump it out. Kind of just looks like a turd.
Now, what's unique to the keto bar as opposed to just the standard bar there?
Right. So, as you all know, I'm sure you've heard me talk about it. Keto is like a low carb diet. So this looks like, it has 20 grams of fat, kind of high fat, which is good, 21 grams of protein, and then as far as carbs, there's 14 grams of carb, 3 of them are fiber, so you're still looking at 11 net carbs, which to me isn't really keto. I guess it's lower carb than it could be. Let me see if they use... Yeah, I guess they have MCT in there, and I did notice when I was looking at it, it says keto protein goodness. I think that they're trying to make it be like they use keto ingredients, not that it's a keto bar.
Is there coconut oil in here too?
Well, there's palm oil, peanut oil, MCT.
You know how you can tell this is a keto product right off the bat?
It's oily as shit.
It's leaving a grease stain on our paper towel here.
Which it is. But yeah, still 11 net carbs for a bar. That is pretty high, honestly. I don't know. I guess if you want to try one that is lower carb, this is the one to do, but I wouldn't really call it keto.
And this is the only flavor out of their keto series so far, right? As
of right now, yes. I foresee them doing maybe more in the future. It kind of depends how this one goes, I would assume, but... I think there's probably, I don't know. I just don't think it's a keto bar. It's weird.
As far as our bars go, for anybody who is on the keto diet, what would you say is the best keto bar that we got?
Knock the Carb Out bar. The chocolate peanut butter one is amazing. And then what were the other ones we tried recently?
I know you said it's not technically keto, but it's probably as keto, if not more keto, than this, either Dream Fuel or NXT.
Yeah, those
aren't technically keto bars, but...
Yeah, and then the Accent Slash, those weren't, were they?
Oh, the homemade bars?
Yeah.
I don't believe so.
I thought we had another one somewhat recently that was like specifically a keto bar.
Keto bar.
I don't remember.
You know what? I think maybe the Dream Fuel bar might
maybe it was
as keto.
Yeah, you know what? I think it was.
That's got the MCT oil and I think maybe even some BHB or something like that.
Yeah, I think that was one. That one's really, really good. Look into those. They're coming out with new flavors soon. But yeah, let's try this out, see how it is. Oh. It's chocolate fudge peanut butter, by the way.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I get no peanut butter.
Kinda.
It's a really strange texture.
It's like it wants to stick in your teeth, but it kind of doesn't. I don't hate it. I think it's good. It's just different. It's like texture.
It's like sort of foamy, sort of dry, sort of crumbly, sort of not, sort of oily.
Yeah.
You know what this reminds me of? I remember as a kid, if there was no sweets in the house, I might find like my mom's like, what's that weight loss like shakes that people
Slim
Fast?
Fast?
Slim Fast. And like it's not good, but at least it's something chocolate. Like I feel like kind of that's what this is.
I don't like it, but it's better than not having like a sweet thing. Yeah, I could definitely see that. That's a very good way of putting it. I mean, you know, if you're looking for an outright bar, it's just not going to be on the same level as the other ones because you have 30 grams of sugar. You can make them taste amazing. The texture is a little strange for sure, but it's not bad. Like I feel like even with the Dreamfield bar, that's a weird texture, but it's good.
Yeah, I feel like this is growing on me. At first, I was like, I kind of hate this.
Yeah,
and I'm kind of liking it right now.
Yeah, it's like the flavors are good, but it just takes a while to. I feel like it's like the other ones when they kind of warm up in your mouth, they taste better. Yeah. 335 sodium, no cholesterol. The 20 grams of fat and the 21 grams of protein are really good for keto.
How much protein?
21 grams.
That's actually really good for a bar like this.
Yeah, that's actually pretty huge. I'm trying to see... Because you get MCT from tapioca fiber. Yeah. Collagen. Yeah, so you get a bunch of good stuff in there. If you're doing keto, don't get this bar, honestly. If you were doing any diet and you just want a lower carb bar of the outright, that's exactly what that is. If you don't want to just have to eat a half a bar to get less carbs and you want to eat a full bar for lower carb, this is the bar for you. Where would you rank on the ones that you've had previously?
In terms of outright?
Yeah.
You know, I would say probably not as good as some of the other outright bars that I've had, but I've been looking forward to trying this one, and it's not bad. It's interesting.
Yeah, it's different. I was expecting more, I'll be honest, because all the other ones are really good. But, you know, it's not awful.
That's what I'm kind of surprised. As delicious as outright bars are, with as much fat and calories as this has, I was expecting more from it.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is, too.
I was expecting, basically like a piece of fudge, basically.
Yeah, I feel like you could totally do that. Because it's 320 calories, 20 grams of fat. I think there's so much you could do with that.
Yeah.
And even if you are going to still have those carbs in there, use like a erythritol. Use erythritol and stevia. And monk fruit. Use all those.
We just did a review of the Finiflex protein pies.
Yeah.
And I think protein pie, I want to say, has less fat and less calories.
Yeah. Probably around the same calories.
Yeah, probably about the same, but such a luscious, delicious treat.
Actually really, really good. I just burped, I'm sorry. I probably wouldn't ever get that again, but it is not bad. If you want to try it out, it might be for you. That might be your flavor. It's just not for me.
I don't know if I'm glad I tried it, and I might get one again, but I probably wouldn't commit to a whole box.
If this was Shark Tank, there'd be no deal. All right, yeah, I think that's about it. If you guys have any questions about any of the flavors, any of the ingredients on any of the other outright bar flavors, any other reviews you want to do, leave us a comment below and let us know.
We're cranking out a bunch of videos today, so stay tuned. There's going to be a bunch of good stuff coming. We got some interesting stuff just off camera here. We're going to be trying it in a moment, so those videos will be following as well.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Later, guys.